Every year, when Samsung releases a new Galaxy flagship, people say things like, "Cool, same phone, shine your box." However, it truly feels different this time around with the Galaxy S26 Ultra. At last, Samsung is paying attention to and resolving genuine problems. These improvements have the potential to improve your day-to-day existence. Instead of those grainy messes, picture nighttime images that are genuinely bright, detailed, and noise-free. The S25 Ultra's impressive 200MP primary sensor will remain, but the aperture will be increased from f/1.7 to f/1.4. This results in brighter colors, clearer details, approximately 47% more light, and significantly less noise in the dark. It will feel like a real jump to take night shots. Better lens coatings are also available to eliminate bothersome flares and ghosting in bright environments or under city lights. And the long-standing yellow skin tone problem has been resolved. People don't have an odd filter vibe, they look natural. Power now. The first 2nm smartphone processor, the Exynos 2600, was recently introduced by Samsung. Some S26 models may soon get it. For consistency, Ultra most likely uses Snapdragon everywhere. It is neck and neck with the newest Snapdragon, according to early tests. Significant advances in AI, GPU, and CPU. Better on-device Galaxy AI, faster everything, and more fluid gameplay. No more waiting clouds. Instead of using the outdated version of Perplexity AI, they are integrating it for structured information, real-time web answers, and truly helpful assistance. It manages settings and apps more smoothly than Google Gemini since it's built within a Samsung system. At last, Bixby might become your real daily helper. The one who could make all the difference in your life. The new XNO modem 5410 raises the bar for satellite connectivity. We are discussing satellite-based location sharing, video calls, complete voice conversations, and texting. Not simply text for emergencies anymore. Hiking on a road trip in a completely dead zone, in the mountains, or at sea. Your phone maintains its connection. Emergencies, travel, and remote work are examples of real-world life-saving situations. The no-signal worry is over. In terms of software, there has One UI 8.5 Day View with intelligent saves such network battery saver and adaptive data saver. Additionally, you may use the camera assistant to make 24MP the default shooting option for the ideal balance between file size and quality. The star is a rich, deep purple that will steal every promotional photo, but the design features fresh vibes and traditional white and silver. Black variants have built-in CH2, a consistent black frame, no more silver mix, and a discreet yet striking appearance. Faster wireless up to 25 watts with 2 magnets for MagSafe style charging and attachments. However, for the full effect, get a MagSafe compatible case if you use a standard one. Price alert: Samsung is still working things out because component, memory, and chip costs are all significantly rising. There may be a small increase, perhaps an additional $100. Ultra begins at $1,400, or they absorb it to maintain levels near S25. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.